Hey everyone, welcome to my GoHighLevel tutorial series. In this video, I'm going to give you a clear overview of what GoHighLevel is, what it can do, and who it's built for. Let's jump in. GoHighLevel is best described as an all-in-one sales and marketing platform. It brings together the core tools businesses need to generate leads, follow up, book appointments, and stay organized. Some people call it a CRM, and yes, it works as a CRM, but the bigger idea is that everything connects in one system, so you don't have to bounce between multiple apps. CRM stands for Customer Relationship Management. In simple terms, it's the system that helps you store leads, track conversations, and manage the customer journey. Because leads come from everywhere: ads, websites, phone calls, referrals, and social media. A good CRM keeps everything centralized, so your business runs faster and cleaner. Now let's go through the main features that make GoHighLevel so powerful. GoHighLevel supports email marketing. You can send a single email or build full follow-up sequences. It also supports text messaging, and depending on your setup, other communication channels too. The goal is consistent follow-up, without relying on manual work. Next is pipeline management. A pipeline is a visual sales process. For example, new lead, contacted, booked, closed. This helps you instantly see where leads are and what needs to happen next. You can also build websites and funnels. That includes landing pages, lead capture pages, webinar pages, and more. And because these pages connect directly to the CRM, your leads flow into the system automatically. GoHighLevel also supports lead capture forms and multi-step surveys. It's similar to the experience people get with tools like Typeform. You can even build quizzes, where answers lead to a result or outcome, which is great for segmenting leads. And one of the biggest strengths of GoHighLevel is automation. You can build workflows that run your follow-up process for you. A trigger might be a new form submission, or a booked call, or a reply message. And the system can automatically send messages, assign tasks, move leads in the pipeline, or send reminders. You can also set up appointment booking and then automate confirmations and reminders, so your calendar stays consistent and no shows go down. Another important area is reporting. You can see performance data across your marketing efforts and understand what's working without guessing. GoHighLevel also includes tools for payments and subscriptions. You can create invoices, manage recurring services, and keep billing organized. It can also support document and contract workflows, including digital signing. And reputation management is a strong feature too, helping you collect feedback and reviews automatically. GoHighLevel has also been expanding into AI features, for example, AI voice agents and chatbot-style booking assistants that can help handle questions and schedule appointments. Now let's talk about one of the biggest reasons agencies love GoHighLevel. White labeling means delivering the platform under your own brand. Inside GoHighLevel, agencies can use an agency dashboard and create multiple sub-accounts. Each sub-account is like a complete system for a specific business, with funnels, pipelines, automations, calendars, and messaging. And this is where snapshots come in. A snapshot is a reusable template of an account. You can build a complete system once, save it, and install it into another account in minutes. That's what makes GoHighLevel scalable for building repeatable client setups. So who is GoHighLevel for? It's a great fit for marketing agencies, local service businesses, healthcare clinics, real estate, insurance, law firms, and any business with a clear sales process where follow-up and automation can improve results. So that's your high-level overview of GoHighLevel. We covered what it is, the key features, and why agencies and businesses use it. In the next videos, we'll dive deeper into pipelines, workflows, and real setups. Thanks for watching.